Hi, my name is Antonio Nanez, and this is my part of the presentation. We did recycling and what to do with it. And so, first, I have tips and suggestions on what can we do with recycling and how we can take care of it. And tips are rinse bottles before recycling. No plastic bags. Don't recycle anything smaller than a credit card. And then compress bottles and keep caps on. And a little more information on that is also never put your recyclables in plastic bags, like I said, and never put any plastic bags in regular recycling bins. Plastic bags and plastic wrap get jammed in recycling processing equipment, which causes recycling to be expensive to process. Um, no food, no liquids, no straws, no plastic cups, and no plastic dishware in the recycling bin. Compost all food and food-soiled paper when possible. Um, Another thing is no need to um, oh sorry, plastic bottles and jugs with number 1, number 2 on the bottom are recyclable. Avoid single-use plastic bottles when possible. And then, however, if you have them, empty and recycle all plastic bottles and jugs that have necks. And then, second is just an overview of what did we just discuss. And in our presentation, we talked about recycling and garbage and where does it go and what can we do. Compost, which is then we went into the 5 different ways. Compost is a way to break down nutrients for our soil. Hazardous material disposal, which reduces toxins. Waste to energy plant, which uses waste to produce energy. And lastly, landfills, which is a place where all garbage, like from our homes, end up. And then in my part also, thank you. I'm just at the end of it, so thank you for listening to this whole presentation. And then here is our references. You can see. And yeah, thank you very much.